Dito kami sa cafeteria. Merong hash brown, merong boiled egg, merong sausage, at ang mamatay na Paul Madames. Ano ba ito Paul Madames? Paul Conte. Paul Conte. At ito pa rin yung ice cream na maasim ba ito? Uy, mami! They have a vanilla ice cream and strawberry. Eat the vanilla ice cream.
No more time.
No, the driver is still there. So this side they have a salad here. Yeah, salad. Tomato, cheese, feta cheese, silo cheese, had a butter, had a this halloumi cheese. Ito, mga it is honey, olives, ha? Is blueberry and yogurt. Ha? Let's eat there very quick. And they have also this one is banana cake, I think. Yeah, and orange. Madam, kuha ka ng orange? I'll take two again. I take two orange. They have a syrup from this side. Cornflakes and this one. I don't know, this one is cornflake and this is chocolate whatever. And the coffee and tea is here. Okay.